Hey everyone, and welcome back to 4-Wheel Builds. Today I've got a really quick video for you guys. It is how to adjust a Volkswagen sunroof. My Tiggy's got a little gap and I want to get that adjusted, get that corrected. So let's head to the car and get that done. Now I'm doing this on my Volkswagen Tiguan, but this will apply to your Golfs, your Passats, and all other myriad of Volkswagens that have that panoramic sunroof. Get the car started and open the sunroof up so you got access to all three bolts. To adjust the rear of the sunroof, you need to do one and two of these screws. The third one you can leave because you're only dealing with the back. Now loosen up both of these bolts up and we should be able to adjust the sunroof. This is a bit of trial and error. Once you got the bolts adjusted to the what you want them, just do them up. And now let's go outside and see how the sunroof lands. So let's close it up again. After this, the sunroof should be nicely adjusted. After you close the sunroof, those bolts should no longer be visible. Okay, I've just finished recording. In the back, as you can see, I'm editing the video now, so it should be out fairly soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful in adjusting your sunroof. And if you did enjoy it, please leave me a like, consider leaving me a comment, and consider subscribing. It really helps a ton to drive the YouTube algorithm and promote my videos. Anyway, see you guys in the next episode. Peace.